Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to turn off the interior ceiling lights every time you open the door. This video should apply to Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now this is quite easy to do actually and obvious, but I own this car for quite a while and it took me some time to actually notice this button. Now, if I open the door right now, what will happen? This light will go on, which can be sometimes quite annoying. Now, to disable this option, there is actually a button right here. You see, there's like an open door and a light. You press it once and I will open the door now, and you will see the light will not go on. And again, to enable it, one press, and now it should work again. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.